How to upload an album on SoundCloud. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will simply guide you through the process on how you can upload an album to SoundCloud, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to upload an album to SoundCloud, you only have to do this process from your browser or your PC and not from your mobile app, because on the mobile you will not be able to find any sort of option. Once you're on PC, just go to soundcloud.com and then make sure to sign into the account. Click the profile icon from the top right of the screen and then go to this option known as profile. When you go to profile, here you can see albums, and currently you can see I have not created any album. So how do I actually upload an album? Well, to basically upload an album, what you need to do is you basically need to actually create a playlist. So you want to come back, go to the playlist tab here, and over here you won't be able to create an album, right? But you want to make sure to create a playlist where you can include all of the songs that you want to upload in the album. And then we have to convert that playlist into an album, and to do this, just select that playlist here, then click on the edit button next to the playlist. And currently you can see playlist type is set to playlist. You want to select it and then just switch to album. Once you switch that to album, just click on save changes and your album will be successfully created. Now if you want though, you can even go ahead and choose to upload any of the other albums that you would like over here. So this way you can go ahead and upload an album. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.